On an Android phone, you might notice an app's icon appearing at the top when a notification comes in. If you don't want that icon on your smartphone, you can remove it. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. First, open Settings. Once you're in Settings, you'll see an option for Display. Tap on Display. After tapping Display and scrolling down, you'll find an option called Control Center and Notification Shade. Tap on that button. Depending on the brand, there might be slight differences. For some brands, the Control Center option will be on the first page of Settings. If you're confused, just open Settings and search for notification icons. When you search for notification icons, you'll see several options. Look for one that says something like Show Notification Icons. Tap on that, and you'll land on a page where you can see Show Icon for incoming notifications. Sometimes, this option is turned on, which means the icon will appear. If you don't want that icon, just turn this option off, and the icon will be removed. That's how you can easily stop app icons from appearing at the top when notifications come in on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.